So what plans do you have for your kids this summer? I have an idea. It's time to fuel your child's entrepreneurial spirit. Hi, my name is Holly Reed Tootle with the Master Playbook, where I empower you as parents and help your kids discover their money genius. And so in our financial vitamin series today, we're going to be talking about how you can fuel your child's entrepreneurial spirit this summer. Listen, the summertime is the perfect season to fire up these activities and to try to identify and discover your child's natural skills, their talents, their abilities, and really attach their interest with a money-making idea. How does that sound? All right, take a listen. I wrote down a few things because this is important. As parents, I believe it is our responsibility to help our child discover their talents, their abilities, but to also nurture those talents and abilities. Because a lot of times we may get caught up in what we think our child should be doing, what activities our child should be involved in. You guys are familiar with this. How many parents do you know having their child live out their basketball dreams, their childhood dreams of singing in front of thousands of people, or whatever it is, some dream that was unfulfilled for the parent as an adult, and now they are projecting that on their child. We've seen it 100 times over, and so to avoid that, I really want you guys to do a couple of things. One, I want you to really observe this summer. Observe and help your child identify what is it that they are really interested in. One of the cool ways that I have seen that's been really effective is take a look at what are the tools, or I say the tools, the toys or the games. What are the things that your child naturally gravitates to? When they are bored, or when they are just relaxing, what are the things that they gravitate towards when there's no structured schedule? Is it music? Is it dance? Is it being outdoors? Is it playing with animals? Is it gaming? Is it a certain type of game? And then I want you to pay attention to the type of questions that they ask when it comes to these activities, because this can be really insightful into what their interests are, what their strengths are, and what I want you to do then is try to figure out a way to marry it with a money-making hobby or a money-making business. Listen, this is the perfect time for exploration, to get your child to try different things. And so that really leads me to my second point. Once you guys narrow in on a money-making hobby or a money-making business, then I want to make sure that you position yourself to really support them. And when I say support them, what I mean is I want you to praise their efforts, okay? Praise their efforts, whether it's a success or not a success. I still want you to praise their effort, because at the end of the day, we are building self-confident individuals. And that confidence is going to allow them to be able to try different things without the fear of failure. My dad, when I was younger, my dad used to tell me and my sisters, hey, the more you can figure out what you don't like to do, the closer you are to figuring out what you do enjoy doing. And that's the goal. We don't want our kids working so hard that they're so miserable in life, right? We want them to find work that's fulfilling, find work that is purposeful. But if we can find work that they enjoy, that they love, and also make money from it, that is a win. You hear me? That is a win. So take some time, and I want you to really think about this. I'm going to provide you a list of money-making hobbies and money-making businesses that are really popular with kids. But first, before you take a look at that list, here's the question. Before you take a look at that list, I want you to share with me in the comments, what is your child's special talent or their special interest? What is your child's special talent or interest? So we all know every child is unique, every child is different. So it could be different, right? What is their interest? What are their talents? And then try to take that and help them explore to match with a money-making business and opportunity. So I can't wait to hear from you guys. I can't wait to hear what you come up with, and make sure you keep me posted as your kids launch these businesses and start making some money this summer. All right, I'm looking forward to it.